Hey there, nature enthusiasts. Ever stop to marvel at how nature can be an incredible engineer? Well, buckle up because today, I'm diving into how nature is inspiring tomorrow's tech. First up, let's talk about biomimetics. It's all about solving engineering problems by mimicking nature. Take the humpback whale, for instance. Those bumpy flippers aren't just for show, they actually improve lift and reduce drag. Imagine planes with wings inspired by whales. More efficient, safer flights. Yes, please. Then there's the story of Velcro. Inspired by burrs sticking to fabric, Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral created this iconic fastener. And geckos, their sticky feet are paving the way for adhesives that could let us scale walls like superheroes. Ants are also on the tech radar, the ants of the Sahara. They navigate without a map or GPS. By studying them, engineers hope to build robots that can find their way, no problem. Let's not forget our brains. They're the blueprint for developing AI. From simulating brain functions to creating problem-solving machines, the goal is to make tech that thinks like us. And finally, viruses. Yup, those tiny troublemakers are inspiring nanoscale drug delivery systems targeting cancer cells with precision, minimizing harm to healthy cells. So, next time you're out in nature, look closely. You might just be staring at the future of technology. Pretty wild, right? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow nature lovers. Until next time, keep exploring.